Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Star Citizen error code 6000. The error reads, Launcher Unknown Error. Something went wrong on launch. Please verify game files. Please report a bug if the problem persists. Make sure to include your logs. As per our research, the error comes either at launch or during gameplay. Many users shared that the game crashes to desktop, sometimes even after getting into the ship, and then displays this error. According to our research, this error is mostly related to memory issues, system configuration, or game file corruption. For some users, the error was caused by insufficient system memory, and they fixed it by increasing the virtual memory. Simply set the minimum to 20000 and the maximum to 30000. If you're not sure how to do this, you can look up online guides. If the error still comes, then delete everything under Troubleshooting, Users App Data, Local Star Citizen to reset the game's local settings. After deleting, launch the game and check for the error. If you still have the error, then move your Star Citizen folder out of the program files and directly onto the C drive. Then try launching the game again. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, then go to NVIDIA Experience and turn off filters and photo mode. If the error still comes, then reset your AMD global settings to default. Then verify your game files. And then in the Star Citizen graphics settings, turn off upscaling and use borderless full screen. Then check if this resolves the error. If you're running a lot of background processes, it could be a RAM usage issue. So try closing several tabs or background apps like Chrome and see if the game runs better. If the error still comes, then check the properties of the Robert Space Industries folder and make sure it's not set to read-only. If you still get the error, then go to robertspaceindustries.com, then log into your account, then click on your profile picture, then go to Account, then select Settings and press Character Reset. Then check for the error. At last, if you still have the error, then delete your graphics configuration file and set the renderer to 0. Then restart the game and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.